What's going on, guys? It's your host, Jacque Brandon Phillips, and welcome to Digital Cove. And today, guys, we'll be going over a method of actually creating a viral video. So if it's something that you're interested in, stay tuned, give me the thumbs up, and let's go ahead and dive right in. So yeah, guys, I'm on Fiverr.com, Fiverr, and what we're going to do is find a gig to where they can actually create us a viral video that we can put on one of our YouTube channels. So let's go ahead and go to the channel itself so you can check it out. As you can see, it's perfectly clean. There is no video in here. And what we're gonna do is, go to Fiverr, see if we can find a gig to find or to create us a viral video, upload it to here, and then see if we can get it to take off and skyrocket within the next 30 days or so. What I consider to go viral is if it basically gives me, let's call it 10,000 views in 30 days. And yeah, let's see if it actually works, because a lot of Fiverr gigs that I've noticed haven't really worked. You almost get what you pay for, basically, but some things I've noticed are really good, good gigs. I've noticed our writers from Fiverr are really good, and the design quality is, I'm not gonna say subpar, but you can probably get high quality design work somewhere else. But for the most part, yeah, it's basically okay if you're like an entrepreneur on a budget. It's definitely a go-to. But again, created a channel called Wait, Are You Serious? And we're gonna actually upload the video to this, and again, see if it takes off. So going to Fiverr, what I did is I ordered this gig. It says like, I will make top 10 rankings professional viral video for YouTube. And I went ahead and ordered this, and so I'll go ahead and play it so you guys can kind of see what it does. But in a nutshell, it basically shows the bar graph moving and sliding up and down on the chart as the numbers increase based on what the topic is. So I'm gonna click on that, and as you can see, they're flip-flopping up and down, going back and forth. And all you have to do, they do all the research for you with this gig. So I gave them a topic, and they're gonna actually create a video for me, and they've already done that, and I'll show you here in a second. And one way to actually get your topics, I know you're probably wondering, like, well, you know, what do I give them, what do I say, and all that kind of stuff to them. So there's a site called Answer the Public. It's pretty awesome. So what you do is you just type in a subject, and it's going to pull up and extract all the different questions that people ask on Google, and it's going to give you basically a mind map of different questions that you can ask related to that topic, and it's also going to break it down by questions and also in alphabetical order. So for example, if I type in top 10, which I already done, as you can see, and then I hit get questions, it's creating it, it's gathering data. And like now, here's the mind map that it creates for you. So all the ones that are darker green are the ones that get the most search volume, and you can see as it goes lighter, as the keywords get less and less. So what top 10 songs get searched the most? What top 10 mattresses, mobile phones, laptops? And again, this is like a mind map type thing where you can just look at this and try to get some more ideas of top 10 videos if you're into that, or just anything in general. So I'll scroll down. There's another one. Top 10 restaurants. Top beer can in India. It's pretty crazy. It gets pretty narrow when it comes to these questions. And then going down further, alphabetical order, and gives you the search volume, the cost per click, and the competition. So I did top anime, actually, top 10 anime. So it's $5,400 searches per month, and it costs $4.36 per click, and the competition is very low, 0.01, which is the reason why I chose it. So again, it has top 10 actors on here, albums, books, eye cream, almost anything you can possibly think of. And again, 3,600 competition is on this one, so you can do like top 10 interview questions, and then give this idea, this topic, to the people on Fiverr, and they'll create a bar graph for you like I just showed you. So again, I chose top 10 anime as my topic, and so going back to this, so this is what they gave me. Let's see if I can find my, let's see. And one thing they didn't do, so actually let's go back to the gig first. So the gig itself, it says 5 to 7 minutes of video. They provide the data for you. It's full HD. It comes with the SEO pack. You can get an extra gig and they do a thumbnail for you. And then yeah, they also provide you with music as well. So again, I did the premium. So up to 10 minutes, SEO title, free SEO tags, and description. So they gave me the SEO title, they gave me the SEO tags, but they did not give me the description, and it wasn't up to 10 minutes, it was only 5 minutes. So I responded back to him. I told him like, hey, what's going on? Like, it's not up to 10 minutes, and I didn't get a free description. So that's in the works. So we're gonna see what they say in regards to that, but I'll show you the video. So yeah, guys, so here's the video that I came up with. Top 10 most popular animes from 07 to 2019. And again, like, it wasn't long enough. As you can see, it's 5 minutes, 10 seconds, and I requested up to 10 minutes, and he didn't give me a description. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how it looks so far, and then I'll show you the end result once he actually updates everything that I need to get updated. And I'll upload it and everything. That way you guys can see how I go about doing it. But I'm gonna hit play so you guys can see how it looks. So yeah, guys, the quality is not that bad. It's about what I expected from him. Again, 5 minutes, 10 seconds. I wanted to get to 10 minutes. That way I can monetize it later if I choose to. But yeah, so if you're kind of interested in like how these videos are created, a lot of people are going to Fiverr, and they're building out videos just like this. And again, yeah, I'll let you guys know like here in a few weeks or so like how it does. And so if you guys want to actually create your own channel where you're not even showing your face on there, you just want to use viral videos just like this, go right ahead and do so. But I wouldn't pause it now. And I want to show you another channel that I saw that does this right now. So if I go to the top 10, and then now let's see. I think he did top 10 baby names. Yeah, so this guy, Data is Beautiful, he started doing this. I'll click on. And that's all this guy does. Is just, he does those same exact videos, and he's just crushing it right now. Like 8.9 million views, 775,000 views. It's only 3 months ago. Best-selling music artist, 8.1 million views. That's 4 months ago. 2.2 million, 10 million. This guy's dominating right now. So, or girl is dominating. So that's kind of what we're trying to do. And he only has 58 videos, which is insane. And I'll actually, let's play one of these.
If you write anything on your computer, you need to get Grammarly.
I write pretty much all day, every day.
Yeah, guys, same exact thing. And the video is 8 minutes. but same exact thing that we just did. So I'll actually fast forward through this. Okay, that's enough. But yeah, guys, this is exactly what we're trying to do: create a viral channel where we have viral videos just like this one. Again, this is like videos only 3 months old, 4 months old. This one's 2 months and 1.1 million views. Pretty insane. But yeah, guys, if you dug this, if you feeling this, give me the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.